Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, my name is Laura. If you're not, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm just going to do just like a vlog kind of video and just vlog my day. So it is currently 8:30 in the morning and I'm just heading off to the gym now. I'm doing a leg session, so I thought I would film that. I'm also due a protein well delivery, that's coming this afternoon, so I thought I'd unbox that as well and show you guys what I've got. I also might do some baking. I really want to make some protein brownies, so I might do that later using some of the protein well products. So yeah, I thought I would just bring you along to the gym. I'm just about to go. I'm actually late. I should have left at 8, but oh well. So yeah, I'll see you at the gym. Quickly, outfit of the day. Oh my god, my room looks too messy to show you. My room looks really messy. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I'm too embarrassed. This is all Shein. This top is zip up. This is from Shein. These leggings are from Shein. They give the best booty pump ever. Look at that. Wowee. My bed is such a mess. When I get ready, I just chuck everything down on like my bed and stuff. But yeah, anyway, I need to just stop talking now and I'll see you at the gym. Having my protein shake by Protein Well. This is chocolate mint, 30 grams of protein. This is so yummy. I always have a protein shake straight after the gym because then it just helps to get my protein in the day. So I'm back from the gym now. I got back quite a few hours ago actually. I've just been doing other bits and bobs, but I thought I would do my Protein World unboxing. So I got my delivery today, and I've got some other bits and bobs in here that I did ask for because these are my favourite bits that I actually use on like a daily basis, and these are the bits that are really good to fit into your diet. So I'll just show you what I've got. So I've got here, this is the whey protein white chocolate flavour, and this is so nice. So if you like white chocolate, like Milky Bars, anything like that, this literally tastes just like it. So what I do is I have my oats in the morning and then I mix in 4 scoops of it, which is 1 serving, into my porridge and heat it up, and then I just usually top it with like fruits. Sometimes I put a little square of white chocolate in it just because I've got a really sweet tooth, because it tastes really nice like that. But that is amazing. And for 1 serving with water, so I have my oats with water, so I always calculate it with water, so 40 grams, which is 1 serving, that is 161 calories, 3 grams of fat, I think, 2 carbs, and 30.7 grams of protein. So that is so good. It's such a good way of getting your protein in, like early in the morning. So that's what I do every morning, and then later on I have a shake and that, and obviously the rest of my food. But that in the morning is just so good because there's like barely anything to it. So your oats are quite carby, but that's not really added to the carb factor because it's 2 grams of carbs and literally like barely any fats. That is so good. So I have that every morning. I also got this. So I haven't tried this yet, but this looks really good. This is the Slender Granola. I got it in flavoured chocolate, so it's chocolate flakes flavour, 183 calories, and that's protein granola, so that's really good as a little snack. I usually have porridge for breakfast, but I can always try this. But what I was thinking of having it as like a snack, so like through the day if I'm trying to get my carbs up and my protein up, to have this. So that looks really, really good. I love cereal. I'm like one of those weirdos who eat cereal at like midnight because it's just nice. So that I'm really excited to try. Last but not least, I've got a few of these bars. I've had these before. These are the new Protein World protein bars, and that is flavoured chocolate brownie. I think they do salted caramel as well, but I asked for chocolate brownie because that's my favourite. And 21 grams protein per bar, which is again amazing. Per bar it's 214 calories, 5 grams of fats, 22 grams of carbs, and then 21 grams of protein, which is really good. That's just like a normal protein bar kind of snack macro thingy. But they're really, really nice. I really recommend them. And obviously, as mentioned before, I do work with Protein World, so if you do want to try any of this, like the protein powder, which obviously you can put in porridge or you can put it in shakes, cereal, or anything else across the website, please do use my code. I'll pop it here or here for you. My code gives you 40% off over anything on the website, and that's a massive, massive saving. It's literally almost half price. So if you do get anything, please do use my code. And if you do use my code, please let me know, like drop it in the comments or tag me or something, just so I know. Okay, so I thought I would do some baking now. I'm going to do some protein brownies, and I'm going to use the products from Protein World. So everything else is going to be the same as it would be for like a normal brownie thing, with like flour, cocoa powder, and then eggs and everything like that. But in it I'm also going to add, so the measurements they've said for the cocoa powder, I'm going to do like half cocoa powder and half chocolate protein powder. I did it before and it turned out really, really nice. So this is the protein powder I'm going to be using. This one is the Protein World Slender blend, and it is actually flavoured chocolate caramel brownie flavour. So I just thought it might be really nice in the brownies. So yeah, I thought that might be really nice with the brownies. I think the one I used before was double chocolate, so it was like really, really chocolatey. But this one, because it says it's caramel brownie flavour, I thought it might give it a really nice flavour. So yeah, I'm going to bake those, and I thought I would just show you how I do it. I'm following this recipe from my phone. I just found it online. I've used this one before. It's one that you can actually make vegan as well, which is really good. But I'm not doing it vegan today. It says prep time is 5 minutes, cook time is 20 minutes, total 25 minutes. See about that. So you need almond flour or any other flour. I'm just using plain flour, which is what I did last time because I don't have any almond flour. Protein powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, melted coconut oil or butter, eggs or flax seeds if you're making like a vegan substitute, so you can use flax seeds to make like a fake egg, which I do sometimes. 2/3 cup of sugar, vanilla extract, and then you can put chocolate chips in it. But what I'm going to do is I've got some dark chocolate actually. I'm going to break that up and put it in it. It'll be really nice. So it's measured in cups, which I hate, but it's fine. I've done it before, but I just always make sure that I use the same cup. So I'm going to just use this cup. This is my Mean Girls cup. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I'm just going to use this cup, and then I just use it for everything. Okay, so that's all done. So that's all mixed together now, that's ready to go in the oven. Do you know what, that was really hard to mix. It was really hard to mix because it was like so thick, because this one's like a thick gooey fudgy brownie mix. So it's like really hard, my arms were aching. But that's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. So I'm going to flip the kettle on, and then when it's ready I will show you guys what it looks like and we'll do the taste test. Oh my god, I'm not going to lie, that smells amazing. It's got a little dot there because I was just checking it to see if it was cooked, but oh my god, if you could actually smell this, you guys would be driven in. Cannot wait to taste that. Oh my god, I just cut into it. Look at that. The actual goo of it. It is so nice. I don't think it was like ready to cut. I waited like 20 minutes, but anyway. It was, when I say it was the best brownie I've ever had, I'm not lying. Like, I would pay like a £5 for that or something. You know when you go to a coffee shop and they charge you like £8 for a slice of cake? I'll pay it for that. It's unreal. That is literally going in my little recipe book. That is going in my recipe book. I'm going to definitely make that again. That is absolutely unreal. Look at that. Stop focusing on my face. Focus on the brownie, man. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing, but unreal. I'm going to eat that bit later. I've literally had one bit already. I forgot to say, obviously that's Protein World product, so that's Protein World protein powder. So if you do want to try it, you can use my code, which I'll leave on the screen somewhere here or here, and that will give you 40% off. But I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.